Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading ngayong August 19 to 25, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, so let's see Taurus, what's coming to you this week? Energies for Taurus. A message in a bottle. Uy, ang daming messages. Alam niyo, lagi itong nalabas ngayong week na to. So, pwedeng maraming communication, no, na magaganap, no, sa inyo, sa collective. This can be, parang ito yung mga suppressed, yung mga hindi nasasabi. This can be an energy from the past, no? Dahil meron tayong Mercury retrograde ngayon. Kumbaga, yung mga unexpressed feelings, emotions, so maaaring may experience nyo yan ngayon. So, pwedeng kayo rin to na may pagsasabihan ng nararamdaman nyo. This can also mean a message coming from a far place, pwedeng abroad, no? Na finally may malalaman ka na or mag-reach out na yung person na yun sa'yo. You have fork in the road. So, yung iba sa inyo merong decision making this week, which path to take. So, pwedeng meron kang pinagpipilian ngayon. Can be a relationship, can be relationship with someone, can be kung sa pagpili ng lugar na pupuntahan mo. Kasi I feel like, medyo nahihirapan ka sa ngayon. Yung iba sa inyo, nahingi pa ng advice sa iba. Oo. So, you're thinking na, kaya ko kayang gawin to. Lalo na kung marami kang advice na nakukuha, minsan iba-iba sila ng advice sa'yo. So, mas lalo ka tuloy nako-confuse. Okay? So, ngayon, just follow yourself, no? Your instinct, your intuition. Meron ditong owl. The owl symbolizes your wisdom, your knowledge. So, magtiwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan. To be fair. May owl na naman. Oh my God. And this is about weighing things. Meron kang wini-weigh na pros and cons. Wow. Okay. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay may pag-iisipang maigi. Oo. Ngayong week na to. So, talagang parang, saan ba ako papunta? Alin ba rito? So, you have to trust yourself. Oo. Pag may major decision akong ginagawa, basic lang talaga. I pray. No? Nagdadasal ako na kung alin yung smooth, kung saan magfo-flow yung energy, ibig sabihin yun yung dapat kong piliin. Oo, kasi magbibigay tayo ng options, no, sa universe na, let's say paglipat ng bahay, no? Isipin mo, makakabuti po ba sa akin ang paglipat ng bahay na to, ganyan, alin dito ang pipiliin ko. So, example, no, yung paglipat ng bahay na yon, pag mayroon kang hinahanap na bahay, nalilipatan mo, syempre may mga kausap ka dyan. Kung alin dyan yung transaction na napakabilis lang ng pangyayari, walang aberya, walang issue, smooth lang, ibig sabihin doon ka talaga. Diba? Doon ka talaga. And I have proven that so many times. Yung mga ganong klase ng decision making. Okay? So for you, kung kayo nahihirapan mag-desisyon, just tune in to your higher self, to your instinct. Kasi and pray, no, na dalhin kayo dun sa best possible decision. Your overall energy is the 7 of coins. So, yung iba sa inyo, kailangan nyo ng patience. Patience is the key to success. Meron kang hinihintay. Oo. Kailangan mong i-collect yung sarili mo, huwag ka masyadong magpa-pressure dito. Eventually, you will reap the rewards. Kasi this is you waiting for fruition. Yung mga itinanim mo, yung mga, meron dyan nagko-comment, wala namang bunga daw. Syempre, hindi ka nagtanim So, paano ka mag-expect ng bunga? Diba? So, this is about your efforts, no? Efforts mo sa mga pinupurso mo sa buhay. So, kung ikaw talaga yung nag-effort, then definitely, you can expect na merong resulta yan. So your challenge is the Four of Cups. Nako. As a challenge, this is about discontentment. No? So yung iba sa inyo maaring you tend to compare your situation sa ibang tao. Minsan kasi talaga naman nangyayari yan na kino-compare natin na bakit si ganito, ang ganda ng buhay niya, bakit ako ganito, pareho lang naman kami ng tinapos. Yung mga ganun, no? But always remember na meron tayong kanya-kanyang journey, hindi tayo pare-pareho. Minsan nagiging magkahawig yung landas na tinatahak natin, but there is something still na different sa landas na tinatahak natin. So, it's time for you to focus on what you have and be more grateful sa blessings na meron ka. Kasi pag naging grateful ka sa blessings mo, like you count your blessings, may isip mo na, wow, ang swerte ko pala. 'Di ba? Oo, kasi minsan lagi tayo parang nadidistract tayo sa mga bagay na wala tayo. Alam niyo ba, number one na blessing is having good health. Oo, minsan yung iba, parang hindi pinapansin yan kasi okay naman sila, wala silang problema sa health nila. But the moment na magkasakit sila, nare-realize na, oh my God, ang daming apektado kapag yung kalusugan na yung apektuhan, di ba? So, for you, that's your challenge na to focus on what you have and yun yung palaguin mo. Okay? Your opportunity, di ba? The sun, oh my God. As an opportunity, this is clarity, happiness, courage, no? Lakas ng loob, confidence mo sa sarili mo. Yes, magiging confident ka. And then your blessing is the Five of Cups. As a blessing, this is about parang pagbibigay ng chance sa'yo na ayusin yung mga naging decision mo in the past na parang feeling mo palpak. Okay? Kasi you still have two other cups here na pwede mong maging parang punla, no? To start again. Na minsan kasi nagdadwell tayo sa past na, hindi ko kasi nagawa to or nagawa ko kasi to kaya magmumukmuk na lang ako at malulungkot. Hindi, isipin mo kung ano pa yung pwede mong gawin to improve yourself. Okay? And that's the blessing. Marami kang realizations of the things na meron ka pa, yung mga kakayanan mo pa. So your money, career, finances, you have the Knave of Coins. Slow and steady wins the race, kumbaga. Okay? Kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, ipagpatuloy mo lang yan. Whatever works for you in your career, your finances, your business, kung ano yung nagiging effective, ipagpatuloy mo lang. Kasi eventually, you will be able to achieve your goals in your career, in your finances. Okay? The Chariot is success. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang pagkilos. At maaabot mo rin yung tagumpay na gusto mo. So, your relationship, you have the Four of Wands and the Nine of Cups. O alam nyo, yung iba sa inyo, Taurus, yung family life, yung home life ninyo, yung connections nyo with other people, lalo na kung maganda yung samahan ninyo, yun ay ma-count nyo na as blessing. Merong fulfillment dito. Yung iba sa inyo, if you are planning to get married or to have children, no, mabuntis, magkakaanak, meron ditong possibility. Okay? Some of you naman, if you are looking for a relationship, maaring meron kayong makikilala, no, na person through travel or through kamag-anak. You have crossroad, meron talaga kayong decision making na kailangan nyong piliin, choose wisely. Yung path na yan. You have the moon, yes, ito yung instinct mo. You are being guided with your intuition. Use that. Gamitin mo ang iyong instinct. Merong 3 dito. This is about growth and good health. Di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, yung health ay isa sa pinaka-importante na blessing sa atin. For as long as you're in good condition, you can do a lot of things. And 3 is about growth. So you are improving. You are growing. Things will not always be this way. A change is coming. See? May pagbabago na magaganap. Taurus. Shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business. So, pagdating sa negosyo or sa trabaho, sa career, mag-ingat ka doon sa mga taong nagtitake advantage sa iyong kabutihan. Okay? Be more parang maging ano ka dyan, vigilant na ay itong taong ito, no? Puro ano lang, pabor ang hinihingi sa'yo. So, iwasan mo yan. And merong announcement, iba sa inyo, pwedeng baby ang announcement nyo dyan, or this can mean merong an announcement sa workplace na something exciting for you na pwede mong i-look forward. And then you have spiritual maintenance, be your own caretaker. Yes. So spiritually, ikaw yung mas mag-aalaga sa sarili mo. Maraming ways, no, to become spiritually maintained. Like for example, yung relationship mo kay God, sa Creator, to the universe, no, whatever religion you are following or spiritual practice ninyo. And then access Earth's inner wisdom. Wow. Yes, Taurus. So you are really connecting more sa iyong instinct, sa iyong intuition through nature. So yung iba sa inyo, madalas kayo siguro na magiging lalabas to be one with nature. Diamond light activation. Light activations and new energies are coming your way. Be open to receive and welcome them. So I feel like there's a transformation going on sa inyo, Taurus, about the changes that are happening to you. Kailangan mo lang magdesisyon, no? Para magtuloy-tuloy na yung path mo, kung saan mo talaga gustong pumunta. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye.